Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I'm from the Bodhi Academy and I'm going to take different topics of 10th standard maths. And today we are going to see introduction to trigonometry. Now, what is trigonometry? What is the actual meaning of trigonometry? Okay, trigonometry, tri means three sides and gonometry means angles. So in this chapter we are going to see the angles of three sides, which is a triangle. Three sides, a quadrilateral which has three sides are triangles. So okay, and here we are going to see the right angled triangle. Can be this or this. Okay. Now here, if this is my A, B, C, then I will say that my right angle is right angled at B. My triangle is right angled at B. Right angled at B. And what is the meaning of right angle? 90 degree. Means this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. And what is the side which is opposite to the 90 degree angle? This side is called hypotenuse. This side is called hypotenuse. Now, if I take in consideration that I have to see my angle A, angle A. Okay. Now, which is the side which is attached to angle A? This is the side which is attached to angle A, and this is called adjacent side of angle A, because we are taking in consideration with angle A. So this is my adjacent side of angle A. Okay. Now, which is the side which is opposite to A, which is not connected to A? That is this one, BC. So this is my opposite side of angle A. So we are going to start with angle A, taking angle A in consideration. Okay, we have some angles which are called sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Now, when we write in this books, we write it as sine, short form. Then this is called cos. This is tan. This is cot. This is sec. And this is cosec. Okay. Now they have some definition. Sine angle, cos angle. They have some definition regarding this triangle, right angle triangle. Now, what is the definition of sine? The definition is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. Then cos is adjacent. I'll write it neatly. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Then tangent is opposite side upon adjacent side. Cotangent is the opposite of this, that is adjacent upon opposite. Then we have sec. Sec is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Okay. Now, if I want to take in consideration that I am counting sine of A, I want to find what is sine of angle what? A. This is my angle A. Now, what does the definition of sine say? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Just write it this way, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Then, now, which is the opposite side of A? Here we have already written C. Opposite side of angle A is BC. So I'll write here BC. And what is the hypotenuse here? Which is AC. So done. Sine of A is BC upon AC. Then, if I want to take C, cot of C. Okay, cot of A. First we will say A. Then, cot of A. What is the cot definition of cot says? Adjacent upon opposite. Now, which is the side which is adjacent to A? See, this is adjacent side of angle A, which is AB. So, AB upon opposite side. Which is the opposite side of A? BC. So, cot of A is AB upon AC. Then, okay. Now, this we have, similarly you can find out tangent, then cosine, sec and cosec. Now, we will see, suppose cos of C. Cos of C. Cos definition says that adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now, where is the C? Here is the C angle. So, adjacent is what? Adjacent of C is what now? Which is the side which is connected to C? This side, BC. Okay. So, I'll write here BC. Then, which is the hypotenuse here? This, AC. So, this is my BC upon AC is cos C. Then, okay, if I want to find tan of C. Tan of C. What does the definition of tan says? Opposite side upon adjacent side. Which is the opposite side of C? Here it is written C, right? So we are going to find opposite and adjacent side of C. So opposite side of C is what? Which is not connected to C? This side, right? We can't take this side because this is the hypotenuse we take. So this is the opposite side of C, which is AB upon adjacent side. Which is the adjacent side of C which is connected to C? This side. So BC. So here is my tan C. Now we have seen angle A and angle C. Okay, similarly we are going to solve one problem. I'll just write this. The problem is saying that given tan A is equal to 4 upon 3. Find other trigonometric ratios. Okay. First, we have to draw a triangle. If this is my triangle, I am going to name it A, B, C. You can name it anyhow, A, B, C or A, B, C. Okay, I am going to name it this way. This is my right angle triangle. Now, what is given? Tan of A is 4 upon 3. Okay, tan of A is 4 upon 3. Now, what is the definition of tan? What is the definition of tan? Okay. Definition of tan we have seen is opposite side upon adjacent side. Now, opposite side of A is what here? A is what here? BC. So, I'll write here BC. What is the adjacent side of A? ABC. A is connected to AB side. So, which is the adjacent side of A? AB. And the side which is not connected is BC. So, that will be opposite side. And this is the hypotenuse. So, BC will be what? What is the ratio given here? 4 upon 3. Okay, 4 upon 3. Then, so BC will be my 4. BC will be my 4 and AB will be my 3. Okay, so BC is 4 and AB is 3. Okay, now we take a ratio constant which is K. Why? Because in question we have only given 4 upon 3. We have, this is the ratio we call. We don't know exactly what is the value of, exact value of BC and AB. So we take a constant which is K. We have to always, when ratio is given, right, we always take 3K or 4K. And when it is told that BC side is, take BC as 25 centimeter, then you can take 25 centimeter. But here only ratio is given. When ratio is given, you have to take K and K. Okay. Then, now, so BC is my 4K, this is my 3K. And we have told find other trigonometric ratios. Okay. To find other trigonometric ratios, we have to see what is this side. Okay. So, how we will find this side? When you have a right angle triangle, we find the other sides when two sides given and we have to find one side. We use something called as Pythagoras theorem. Now, what does the Pythagoras theorem says? Pythagoras theorem says that the sum of two sides is the sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the hypotenuse side square. So I'll write this by Pythagoras theorem. BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. See, sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the hypotenuse side square. Okay, this is my hypotenuse. Now, what is BC square? 4K the whole square plus what is AB square? 3K square is equal to AC square we have to find. So, we will write AC square as it is. Now, this square is applicable to this 4 also and this K also. So, 4 square is 16 and K square is K square plus 3 square is 9 and K square is K square is equal to AC square. Now, what is 16 plus 9? This becomes now like terms. Okay, 16 plus 9 is 25 and K square plus K square is K square is equal to AC square. Now, okay, we have to find now what is AC. So, we have to take this square on the other side. When we take this square on the other side, it becomes root of 25K square is equal to AC. Why AC? Because we have already taken this square on the other side which became root. Okay. Now, this root is applicable to 25 also and this K square also. Now, what is root of 25? Root of 25. Okay, how we find root? By prime factorization. 25. 25 is not divisible by 2, 3. It is directly divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So, we make a pair of this 5. So this will be 5. What is root of 25? 5. So this is my 5. And root of k square is what? Square and root gets cancelled and you have 5, which is AC. So this is my AC is what? 5k. Suppose now they have told us to find the other this ratios. We have already tan A. So we have to find what is sin A, then cos A, sin A, cos A, then sec A, cosec A, and cot A. Okay. Always write the definition in full form. Okay, I am just writing here in short form. You have to write it in full form. Sin A is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is the opposites of A? 4k. Upon what is the hypotenuse of this triangle? 5k. So I will write 5k. Now this k gets cancelled. You have 4 upon 5. Then what is cos of A? Definition of cos of A is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of A? That is which is connected to A. This is 3k. Then hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 5k. We have already seen this. So k gets cancelled. You have 3 upon 5. Then sec of A is what? Hypotenuse upon adjacent. What is hypotenuse? 5k upon what is adjacent of A? 3k. So this will be 5 upon 3. What is cosec of A? Hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now what is hypotenuse? 5k. Upon what is opposite side of A, which is not connected to A. So that will be 4k. So this will be k gets cancelled. You have 5 upon 4. So cot of A will be, what is the definition of cot of A? Adjacent upon opposite side. What is the adjacent side of A? 3k, which is connected to A. So this will be 3k upon opposite will be 4k, which is not connected to A. So k gets cancelled. You have 3 upon 4. So this is the first part of trigonometry. So thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.